On the 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper, the rear air vent behind the center console has a wide open gap. Small items like coins or toys can easily fall inside, and retrieving them may require removing seats and interior panels, which is both costly and time-consuming. That's why this is an essential accessory for every Model Y Juniper owner, especially families with kids in the back seat. Inspired by Tesla's iconic Plaid badge, our custom-designed rear vent cover blends function with sleek design. It fits perfectly on the Model Y Juniper and installs in seconds, no tools, no modifications needed. The cover doesn't block airflow or affect vent adjustment, and the rear USB charging ports remain fully accessible. Made from flame-retardant, high-temperature resistant materials with a clean, OEM-style finish. Check the product link in the video description or visit our YouTube channel homepage for more.